Hello, I'm here to see Mr. Mancini. I'll be happy to wait. Thank you. Hello, Mr. Mancini. My name is Jennifer McManus and I'm from Ecolab. Thanks for taking the time to see me today. I'll be happy to call you Frankie. Your restaurant is so trendy, the decor is exquisite. I've been trying to get a reservation here for the last 3 months. Yeah, great. How long have you been in the restaurant business? Wow, that is a long time. How did you get into the business? Your third generation restaurant owner, your dad started with a little pizza shop in downtown Seattle and now it's one of the largest pizza shops in Washington. That is so impressive. Do you have children? Wow, 5 kids and they're all in the business. Your goal is to open a restaurant for each of them. That's your legacy? That's amazing. You have three, so only three to go, one for you and the rest for the kids. That's so great. I know that Angelo's is fine dining at its best. How would you describe pasta basta, and latari? Okay. Pasta basta is spaghetti and meatball kind of place, and laturi is more small plates with specialty drinks. Both sound great. Frankie, let me tell you a little bit about myself and Ecolab. I've been working with Ecolab for the past 10 years. My family and I are originally from Maryland and moved to Seattle 15 years ago. My goal was to exceed my clients' expectations with exceptional customer service. Most of my clients own successful restaurants. My clients are looking for cost savings and result improvements. Ecolab has $6 billion in global sales. We are the world leader in cleaning, sanitizing, food safety, and infection control products and services. Ecolab is headquartered in St. Paul, Minnesota, and services more than 160 countries. The company delivers comprehensive programs and services to various industries, including food service, food and beverage processing, hospitality, healthcare, government and education, retails, and others. Yeah. Yes, we're very proud of our size, but we have local representation. Absolutely. Now that I've given you background on myself and Eco, let's focus on you and Angelo's. I had the pleasure of meeting with your executive chef, Nino Trapattoni, to complete a survey of your kitchen. Nino is a genius in the kitchen. You are so fortunate to have him. Wow, you guys have been together for 15 years? That's wonderful. Yes, he does make the best lasagna. The garlic bread was so outstanding. I had to take a few loaves home. My family could not stop raving about the garlic bread. Yeah, I can't wait to have that opportunity to come here and bring them to eat. Absolutely. The purpose of our meeting today is to review our kitchen survey and show you how we can help improve your sanitation and safety in the kitchen. By improving both of these areas, you will have more time and money. Frankie, I know that you're using Swisher for all of your bathroom care and maintenance and back of the house operations. What do you like about them? Okay, you're very happy with their bathroom care and maintenance. You've moved all of your business to them because of that service? Yes, they're definitely known for their bathroom care. Is there anything else you like about Swisher? Okay, thanks for sharing. Is there anything that Swisher could improve upon? Service is a big concern for you. The salesperson was Johnny on the spot until you gave him all of your business. Now you're lucky if he returns your calls. You're very disappointed because it's a big inconvenience to change suppliers. I completely understand. How often are you in contact with your salesperson? Okay, he's not proactive and you don't think you've seen him in the last year? Well, that's a really long time. Frankie, I pride myself in providing outstanding service. I visit my clients bi-monthly and more often if needed. My phone is always on. I want to ensure our products are being used correctly and that you are happy. Also, I'd like to add value by training employees on safety issues and quality improvements. Absolutely, that's all complimentary. I'm always available for you. No concern is too big or too small. We take care of all of your needs. Mhm. Frankie, I completely understand your concerns. It is unfortunate that you've had such a terrible experience with Swisher. I believe my job starts after the first sale is made. My objective is to have a long standing relationship with you. As in your business, an existing client is more valuable than a new client. We need to keep you happy. Yes, I know you've heard it all before. If it would make you feel better, I have received numerous complimentary letters from my clients. They would not mind if I shared them with you. Also, I have a lot of clients in the area. Please ask them if you like. I know that most restaurants network with one another. So, okay, so you have asked about us. Perfect. And they've all been happy, I hope. Right. Yeah. Otherwise, we wouldn't be having this meeting. That's right. No need to apologize. I can take it. Any other areas where Swisher can improve? Mhm. Okay. Product performance is a concern. Swisher products are leaving the dishes dirty and spotty. Yes, I understand you have a reputation to uphold. Your competition is fierce, and you want to have your business last so the children can take it over. That's your legacy. Yes, I understand. Any other areas of concern? Okay, Swisher won your business because they have excellent bathroom care, but lack experience with back of the house operations. You can't express enough your displeasure with them, and you'll tell anyone who will ask. Yeah, you shout it from the rooftop if you could. Okay. Also, you're losing time and money since the dishes need to be washed a couple of times. One night you were having delays getting patrons drinks because the glasses were spotty. Yeah, yeah, that's a true inconvenience. Absolutely. Okay, anything else? Mm-hmm. Yes, your face is getting a little red. My job is to keep you happy and keep your stress level low and give you time to spend with your clients. You should not have to worry about dirty glasses. Clean glasses should be a minimum expectation. Yes, I completely understand. Frankie, I know you're busy and your lunch rush is going to start. How busy have you been lately? Okay. That's incredible. Your business has tripled and you don't have reservations available till October. You must be so proud. It is hard working keeping a restaurant thriving. Yeah. Do you have any large events coming up or any other business opportunities? Oh, that's interesting. You'd like to get into to have a food truck. Yeah. I love food trucks. They are just amazing and they're everywhere. They show up at my church, my daughter's soccer games. It's fantastic. Yeah. Yes. Would you mind if we went through the kitchen and reviewed our survey findings? Yes, I've spent a lot of time in kitchen. It makes it difficult to cook for myself. My clients have the best cuisine. However, I do pick up a lot of great tips. My family loves it. Frankie, I've done a series of tests to analyze your current chemicals and equipment being used. I will make recommendations as we go through each area. Sure, you can stop me. Frankie, I did do my research and know you were a customer of Ecolab and you decided to change your vendor based on terrible service. The representative made a lot of promises and never kept them. He did the same demonstration but never followed up. With that type of service, I don't blame you for moving your account. I can guarantee you that you will have a completely different experience with me as your representative. Ecolab does not have you sign long-term contracts and you can move your account at any time. With that being said, I need to satisfy all your needs to keep your accounts. I am incented to keep you happy and help grow your business. If your business grows, so does my business. We are true partners. Mhm, mhm. Yes, we do offer guarantees. We stand by our products 100%. If you're not satisfied, we will refund you or offer a substitute solution. I don't believe that you'll need a substitute solution because we do a lot of upfront needs analysis to make sure you have what you need. We understand that time is money. No problem. I want you to ask questions on the front end so you can make a fantastic buying decision. We don't want you to have regrets. We want you to feel very good about the decisions that you make. Absolutely. To get back to our analysis, let's take a look at your floors. As you can see, the floors are covered in grease. Most companies that I go into that don't use Ecolab products are exactly the same. It does not matter how hard your employees work to remove the grease. The job is just impossible. But providing them the tools in order to remove the grease, their job will be much easier. I believe we have two solutions. One is a cleaner that is designed to remove cooking grease. That's all that it does. It has enzymes that break down the residue and make it easy to remove. Second, I would strongly recommend mat or protective coverings. These mats can be removed, cleaned with enzyme cleansers, and brought back at the end of each shift. It protects your employees from falling. Have you ever used mats before? Okay, so you have used them before, you just haven't replaced them when they got old. Okay. Does it make sense for you to add mats to your floors now? I couldn't agree with you more. Yes, we can order the mats in different shapes and sizes. They are very easy to clean, and the enzyme cleanser breaks down the grease. Your dishwashers will have more time to take care of other needs. Absolutely. Next, we've noticed that you have limited drying racks. The dishes are stacked on each other. Thus, it makes it easy for the glasses to break, and it could make them easier to spot. The simple fix is to purchase more drying racks. We could use them on the shelves above the sink. So I would just imagine them all here so they don't stack on each other. Absolutely. Yeah, that does make a lot of sense, does it? How does that sound to you? Yes, we will be saving your dishwasher a lot of time and saving you money since you don't need to replace the glasses. No more spotty glasses. Absolutely. Oh, thanks for the compliment. My goal is to build a relationship with your entire team. I want them to view me as a partner who can make their job easier. They normally have the best ideas to improve kitchen operations since they are on the front lines. They see everything. Yeah, absolutely. You couldn't do it without them. That is exactly right. Okay. Next, on the dishes, we performed a macrolean test. The test shows any substance left on your dishes. Our test showed evidence of food soil left on your dishes. Here's a snapshot of our analysis and pictures. Let me pull those out. So here you can see a dish that has no food soil. Here's actually one of your dishes that we tested. You can see all the blue spots represent food. Yeah, that is a lot of food. Yeah, it's amazing what the naked eye misses. And you would have no idea that that food is there. I couldn't agree with you more. Many people are getting food poisoned by eating in restaurants. We want to ensure that they never have a situation in your restaurant. An incident of food poisoning can ruin your reputation that you've worked so hard for. Great question, Frankie. We would recommend our super strength detergent designed for restaurants. Therefore, you'll never have to worry about sanitation and foodborne illnesses. We've done thousands of tests to make sure that our detergent can get off all food from plates. Yes. Many of our clients have felt the same as you. To change your current cleansers, it would take a long time, and you don't have time or desire to close your restaurant. That would cost you money. We would never recommend that you do that. We will create a plan to start using our products and eliminate Swisher products. To get you started, we will provide a trial package of our recommended products. Next, we will have our team come out and measure for mats and drying racks. Yeah. Absolutely. Makes a lot of sense. How does that sound to you? Frankie, I've heard the comment before. There must be a terrible rumor going around. Ecolab actually uses less soap than our competitors. It feels like we use more soap because of the thickness of the soap. Let me show you the difference between Swisher soap and Ecolab soap. Here is the Swisher soap. Yeah. It's very thin. Yes, you're losing a lot of the product. It's falling out of your hands. Now let's take a look at our soap. As you can see, the soap is thicker and has beads for scrubbing. As you can see, when the soap actually foams up when it comes in contact with the water. Therefore, you use much less of the product and you use less physical effort to get the dishes clean. Yes, our soaps are our #1 product. I sell more of our soaps than anything that I sell. And all different industries use them. Yes. Hospitals even, yes, for germs. Absolutely. Couldn't ask for anything better. Yeah, absolutely. Well, let me go over another way to save money is to install product dispensers. The product dispensers only dispense the amount of soap or cleanser that is needed. By pouring and spraying everything, you're wasting a lot of product. A lot of that product is going in the drain or it's going in the air. Therefore, like as I said, costing you more money. I'd recommend putting up 3 hand sanitizer stations, soap dispensers by the dishwasher station, and by all the sinks. How does that sound to you? Saving money and improving sanitation always makes good business sense. Yes. Absolutely. You work very hard for your money. You want it to work hard for you. Absolutely. Next, when was the last time you had a work-related accident? Oh, that's fantastic. You've never had an employee accident. Yeah. Well, we want to keep it that way. Work-related accidents are costly and create downtime when you're running short of employee. Yes, safety is key. We want you to continue on that track. I would strongly recommend installing eye wash stations and first aid stations. The eye wash stations are important. You only have a certain amount of time to flush your eyes before having permanent damage. First aid stations should be accessible for all employees who have any kind of cuts or other injuries. Absolutely. Yeah. Oh, they're always coming back to the office looking for bandages. Absolutely. And it'll save you time by not having to get them from them. They'll be accessible to all your employees. Do you believe then it's beneficial to have eye wash stations and first aid stations? Perfect. We will make recommendations of where to install them. Frankie, how do you feel about trying Ecolab cleaning and sanitation solutions? Yes, we will start with a trial order and have our team come out and measure for mats, dispensers, and drying racks. Is there any time that would work for you? No, you're not committed to any certain dollar order. We do have very attractive offers for new customers. We can go over the discounts once we determine all your needs. We want to make sure you get exactly what you need. Now, talking about discounts, would you be interested in me surveying your other 2 locations? We can combine all the stores to get you the biggest discount. Yes, it does make sense to get the biggest bang for your buck. Frankie, does next Tuesday at 9:30 work for you? Yes, looks like we're making really good time and yeah, right before your lunch rush. Absolutely. Perfect. If you like, I can also contact your executive chefs at each of your other locations to set up their surveys. Once both surveys have been completed, we can set up another appointment to review our findings. Yes, we'll wait to place the order. In the meanwhile, I will deliver a trial supply of cleaning supplies for you to test. How does that sound? Yes, it's good to try the product before you make the commitment. You don't want to go through this process again. I completely agree. Yeah. Completely agree. Frankie, thank you so much for your time. I know you're about to get extremely busy. Yes. See you next Tuesday at 9:30. Perfect.